Hi everyone, thanks for taking a look at Samsara. Today we'll dive into the installer experience in the Samsara Fleet mobile app. The installer experience helps you quickly install your vehicle gateways and dash cams with just your mobile device, simplifying the process and shortening installation time at scale. Instantly activate your vehicle gateway and associate it to your organization by scanning the barcode on the device itself or the QR code on the box. The scanning feature helps reduce errors when inputting the serial and will save you time. To verify which cable your vehicle needs, scan the VIN on your vehicle. Using the VIN to decode the vehicle's make, model, and year, the feature will display the correct cable required. You can also configure important details like the gateway name and the vehicle's license plate during the install, all without the need of a desktop computer. Knowing that your devices have been properly activated is key. With the installer experience in the Samsara Fleet app, you can confidently verify that the vehicle gateway has connected. The install verification will check that the gateway has power, has connected to cellular, gets GPS signal, and is configured to your organization. For dash cams, you'll want to make sure that the camera is not only activated, but is properly positioned. You can do that by calibrating and verifying the location of the dash cam directly from your mobile device with the installer experience. We're dedicated to providing you a smooth installation experience to make you successful with Samsara. The installer experience will save time during the install process and quickly get your assets onboarded to the Samsara platform. To use the installer experience to guide you through device installations, download the Samsara Fleet mobile app in the App Store or Play Store today. This is just one example how Samsara's connected operations platform increases efficiency. Go to samsara.com/free-trial to get in touch.